Pain. It's on the face of people you see every day. Your loved ones, friends, co-workers, perhaps your own face. You feel hopeless. No one understands. No one really listens. No one can make the pain stop. There is a place where they do understand, where they will listen, a positive, compassionate, patient-centered environment that was built on a vision of hope and healing, a place that will help you make informed decisions and choose treatments that are suited for you. They'll help you realize that even though you are in pain, it doesn't have to take over your life. You can fight back. You can feel more in control of your life. That will help you build confidence to face everyday challenges, to give you hope and empower you. Spine Pain Diagnostics, a center of excellence and hope where expertise makes the difference. We can help you. Call us at 888-PAIN-DRS.